Is your manager piling on the pressure? Making you feel you're not enough, or worse, quietly nudging you towards the exit? If that sounds familiar, just pause for a second. Take a deep breath. Don't let emotions run the show. Here's how I'd handle it if I were you. First things first, stay calm. Don't react right away, even if you're fuming inside. When emotions are high, logic can disappear in a flash. So don't argue, don't send that angry email, and definitely don't hand in your notice on a whim. Give yourself space to process what's going on. Next up, start documenting. Honestly, this is your safety net. Write down dates, times, and those exact words that made you uncomfortable. Screenshot emails or save messages if your boss is being out of line. It's not about being sneaky, it's about protecting yourself, just in case you need to raise it later. Now ask yourself, am I just dealing with normal job stress, or is this crossing a line? Every job has targets and deadlines, but personal attacks, humiliation, or impossible workloads, that's not standard. Figure out what's really happening before you decide on your next move. If you feel cornered, try this. Respond professionally without getting defensive. Say something like, I'm doing my best, and I'd appreciate constructive feedback. It shows you're open to improvement, but you're not a doormat. Whatever you do, don't resign just to escape the moment. Trust me, it's much easier to look for a new role when you're still in one. If things truly get unbearable, have a plan and some financial cushion before making any big moves. And don't forget, you're not in this alone. Most companies have HR, or maybe there's a senior colleague you trust. Use their support, raise your concerns respectfully, but be firm about what you're experiencing. Above all, look after your mental health. Toxic workplaces can chip away at your confidence, and that's just not worth it. Talk to friends, talk to a professional if you need. Self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Remember, pressure is part of corporate life, but harassment? Absolutely not. You deserve respect and a fair chance to shine. Don't let anyone push you out or break your spirit. Get smart, stand up for yourself, and do it the right way. You've earned your place. Don't let anyone take that away from you. If this helped, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe. And if you've ever felt under pressure at work, drop a comment below. You're definitely not alone.